Hello everyone, we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will learn how we can fix any printer that's not working on our Windows laptop or PC. So let's get started. Here on our Windows search tab, please click and search for printer, and under best match please click on printers and scanners. Okay, so here we need to select for the printing device that we are using. Once found, please click on it or just click on manage. And then open print queue. See if there are any pending printing commands that you have. And if you have, please click on it. Make a right click on it and just cancel it. And after doing that, please run the printer troubleshooter. And you can do that by searching get help here. And under best match, just click on it and then this window will come out on your screen. Just type run printer troubleshooter and just follow the steps that will be provided. Okay? So let me just close this one. And in case you can cancel the pending printing commands in the print queue, then you need to click on Windows R key or press Windows R key and then let this run window come out, and here we need to type for services.msc. It's services.msc. Now click on OK or enter. And here this services window will come out on our screen. Just select one option and then type PR. So here we need to select for print spooler. Once selected, please make a right click on it and then click on properties. And in here, we need to make sure that the startup type is disabled because we want to remove the printing queue or the print queue. So we need to disable it and then click on apply and then click on OK. Once done, let us go back to our print queue. And then here you can cancel all the pending printing commands that you have. Okay, so once done, let's go back again to our services and make a right click again and then go again to your properties and make sure that you set this option here for automatic and then click apply and then click again OK. And then just make a quick restart with your device and then see if it works. And if it's still not working, please make sure also that the cable is connected properly, or you turn off and then turn on again the printer and make sure it's connected with your device so that in this manner the printer will be reset. Or in this manner we are resetting the printer with its default or into its default settings. Okay, so I hope that you learned something from this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I see you in the next one.